Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing access and creating a definition. Open Shopify admin and confirm you have permissions or an app token. You need API or theme access. Next, choose a clear namespace. Key so values don't conflict and pick the correct data type, text, number, file, or JSON. Then create a Metafield definition for the resource you'll extend, like product or variant. This registers validation rules and descriptions, so every entry follows the same format. Once done, you're ready to add value. Now add and map those values to your storefront. You can enter data directly on the product or collection pages, use the bulk editor, import via CSV, or push with the REST/GraphQL API. Once values exist, use Liquid in your theme or the storefront API to reference shop. Metafields, namespace, key and render content where needed. Make sure types match expected output, format numbers and dates, and use file translators for images. Also set visibility and helpful descriptions so editors know what to edit. Finish by testing and deploying carefully. Preview the theme editor and check multiple products and breakpoints so content displays correctly. Make sure conditional logic guards against empty metafields. Use GraphQL or API responses to inspect raw stored values and confirm types and namespaces. When deploying, push theme changes and clear caches. If something goes wrong, first check for typos in namespace. Key: confirm app or API scopes include write/read metafields, and inspect theme liquid for matching keys. That simple check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.